This is Tommy. He's climbing onto his elephant chair. He's 11 months old. And he's a very handsome boy. Where is he? Oh. He's getting cozy, I think. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Found his toothbrush. Hi, Tom Tom. Hi. Are you a good boy? I think he's coming over to see me. Oh no, he's saying hi to his bear. Hi, bear. Oh, don't eat the bear. You give the bear kisses. Can you give the bear a kiss? No. You say bye-bye. I love you, Tommy.